Hi Manchester traders, I'm Danielle with Dorian Trader, and I'm here to share with you the benefits of connecting with our chapter city. Dorian Trader provides many free events to options traders of all levels, from beginner through advanced. Whether you're looking for an in-person workshop or an online opportunity to learn, there's something for you. Participants in Dorian Trader's chapter cities learn to trade options on futures and stock. For example, depending on your level of experience, you can learn specific basic strategies like the call and put spreads and the iron condor. If you're ready for more advanced strategies, you can become an expert at the strangle, the straddle, and jaded lizard, for example. Members learn how to maximize a portfolio. This will help you generate reliable income month over month. Members can expect to connect with other like-minded traders so you can grow your network. People who join us at a trading event are from all backgrounds. For example, some trade options full-time as day traders. Others are just starting out and learning basic options terminology, like delta and theta, for the first time. Facilitators of Dorian Trader chapter cities have collectively over 30 years of options trading experience. Because of this, you learn from traders who spend day and night thinking about options. We are prepared to guide you in all aspects of options trading. For instance, we teach you how to put on your first trade and troubleshoot your portfolio. We work with you no matter your experience level so you can generate extra income through options. We want to meet you and help you learn to make more money with options. Supplementing your income starts today. Meet a great group of fellow traders by visiting DorianTrader.com to learn more.